The AI gold rush isn't coming, it's already here. Not tomorrow, not next year.
Right now.
And like every gold rush in history, there are only two types of people. Those who build and those who sit on the sidelines and complain. Which one are you? People always think they have more time. When the internet started, newspapers are better. When social media took off, this is just for kids. Real business doesn't work like that. When the iPhone launched, a touch screen, that will never work. How many times do we have to see this happen? And yet, here we are again. AI isn't just changing the game, AI is rewriting the rules. If you are waiting,
You are already losing.
but let's be real, people aren't scared of AI, people are scared of change. They don't want to start over, they don't want to admit that their comfort zone is a lie. But here is the hard truth. AI isn't taking your job. Someone who knows how to use AI is taking your job. You can complain, or you can get ahead. AI isn't the enemy. AI is an exoskeleton. You either learn how to use it and get stronger, or you watch from the sidelines as others move ahead.
Now let's talk about real money. It's not in the hype, it's not in some overpriced AI course, it's in solving real business problems. What do companies actually need? Lower costs, faster operations, higher profits. If you can help with that, you are already ahead. If not, AI will replace you. Here is the deal. It's not about whether you can code. It's about whether you understand how AI turns into profit. Years ago, breaking into tech meant learning how to code. Now you can build and automate without writing a single line. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Cursor, Replit, it's all ready, right now. And here's where it gets interesting.
Who's actually making money with AI? Marketers. AI runs campaigns 10x more efficiently. Startup founders. AI automates customer support, sales, and analytics. Content creators. AI speeds up video editing, scripting, and production. Wanna stand out? Don't be just another AI enthusiast. Companies aren't looking for AI fanboys. They're looking for people who can solve problems with AI. Lawyers use AI to review contracts in minutes instead of hours. HR teams use AI to hire faster and smarter. Finance pros use AI to predict cash flow and risk. You don't need to know everything. Just pick one thing and dominate it.
Now here's the big question. Do you want to make money or do you want to build wealth? Here's the difference. Make money means trading time for cash. Building wealth means creating systems that work without you. And if you are smart, AI will be part of your system.
How do you do it? Courses. Teach what you know. Automation. Set up systems that run themselves. Products. Use AI to build real solutions. AI isn't just a trend. It's a once-in-a-lifetime shift. You can sit back and watch it happen, or you can be the one shaping the future. AI is your tool, your move. Are you in the game?